Do we need AI product managers? Why not just a regular product manager? Or better yet, why not just have our data science team spearhead the AI initiatives on their own? Welcome to Democratizing AI. My name is Jacob Chanina, and we are on a mission to drive business impact and innovation using AI. Tell us what you think. Do we need AI product managers? Drop a comment below and tell us why. And subscribe to our channel to join this mission of driving impact. I'll share a few stories from my life that have influenced my opinion on whether or not we need AI product managers. A friend of mine, who now is an AI product manager, previously worked as a data scientist at a large financial services company. They had a growing team of 5 data scientists, and it was their charter to automate what happens when a customer calls the customer support center. They had no product manager, and they spent a lot of time imagining and theorizing about what banking consumers must need when they call customer support. I'm sure they got a few of the use cases down pretty well, but without thorough customer research, they had many significant gaps, and they were far from achieving product market fit. Should the data scientists be doing thorough research and building personas, jobs to be done, and building out all that customer intelligence to then plug that into their data science requirements? They certainly could, but it's really not in their wheelhouse, in their domain of expertise. It's not their discipline to do customer research. That is really the job of a product manager. I've seen this not in many other companies where business leaders see an opportunity with AI and they start hiring data scientists left and right. And needless to say, when these data scientists are working in a silo, really with not the full back end or front end resourcing and without product leadership, it can really feel like working in a silo. And the goal of having impact on the product can feel very elusive. I have also experienced challenges from the PM side of things. I have worked in companies large and small, brilliant data scientists, professors, postdocs, researchers, R&D, the more practical analytical kind. One project that I was working with had a data science model that had been crafted for over a year. And it was almost so powerful, but at the same time, it really didn't meet the customer need that I identified through my customer research 100%. And especially with data, the devil is in the details. And not incorporating for certain key data points can have a massive impact on a customer experience. It was a little bit challenging and somewhat disheartening for me to communicate my data science team that we would really need to start this data science model from scratch. I recommend that we use something a lot simpler. Just download something from GitHub, a data science model that's very generic, and then build up from there with the customer need as our primary focus. After we did this, momentum picked up with a lot more speed. Also, working with the UX team, I've found myself working with designers that are recommending that very elaborate processes and even putting together elaborate UX designs for a system that would allow the consumer to teach the brand what they are interested in. It also was very beautifully designed, very compelling. But I found ways, since I had familiarity with working with the data science team, the analytics team, and the data pipelining, I found ways that we could remove this burden of asking the customer to teach us what they're interested in by plugging in key data points that we had about the customer from other data sources. This basically just reduces time to value and helps customers find what they're interested in even faster. So, do we need AI product managers? Do we really need folks that understand the customer and the data and the user experience? Do we really need someone who can tie these various domains together into one unified vision, one unified set of requirements to drive our investment behind? We absolutely do. And let me tell you, some people have told me that AI is just a lot of hype because they haven't made investments in AI and didn't see the impact. They hired data scientists and not seeing how it's impacting the bottom line. This is exactly why. It's because key ingredients are missing. And the AI product manager is one of those key ingredients that we absolutely need more of. Join this mission. Join this cause. There are data scientists. There are engineers toiling away, and they need folks like you to unify these various disciplines into a single unified vision. Join our mission. If you are excited about trailblazing the innovative path of the future, give this video a like and stay tuned for our next videos where we're going to get into more of the nuts and bolts of how to make this disruption happen.